Hello friends, welcome back to the iSenshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix cannot verify server identity issue on iPhone. Solution 1. Reboot your iPhone. Press and hold the volume up and side buttons. Then move the slider to power off your iPhone. Now press and hold the side button to turn the iPhone back on. Solution to check the date and time settings on your iPhone. Tap Settings. Go down and select General. Tap Date and Time. OK, toggle on the option set automatically. Solution 3. Delete the email account and re-add it. Tap Settings. Tap Mail. Tap Mail Accounts. Select your email account. Tap the Delete Account option. Confirm it. See, the account is removed from your iPhone. Now tap Add Account option. Select your email service provider. Enter your email address and password to sign in. Make sure Mail option is enabled. Finally, tap the Save option on the top right corner. Solution for reset network settings. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. Oh, it needs to enter the passcode. Tap Reset Network Settings again. Solution 5. Update your iPhone to the latest version. Tap Settings. Tap General. Then choose Software Update. Tap Update Now button. Then follow the on-screen instructions to finish the latest iOS update. Solution 6. Fix the error with iOS Repair Tool. iSenshare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system repair software, which can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. You can use it to fix the system issues that cause cannot verify server identity issue. Download iSenshare iOS Repair Genius from iSenshare.com and install it. Yes, you should have iTunes if you are using Windows PC. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the Standard Mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Hit the Next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone system issue is repaired successfully. Your iPhone will reboot at the same time. That's all for the video.